A friend of mine told me about the PureWash Pro. It's an ozone producing washing machine water. Little or no detergent. He says he still uses detergent for stains, but it's supposed to greatly reduce the smell and bacteria and mold. So in our front loader we get this nasty junk here in the front, and if you pull back the seal, it's just really disgusting. That forms back in about a week, so we have to keep cleaning it. And I'm tired of that. Plus, with all my gym clothes, it just has an odor. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to install this system and then give it either 1 or 2 weeks of use and see what I think, and I'll let you know after that. But let's go ahead and get this thing installed for now. Let's do a quick inventory of what's in the box here. Mounting bracket, screws, hose, power cord, this on-off valve, and then the machine itself. So the first thing that needs to be done is remove these little caps down here on the 2 washing machine and the cold water in. If you flip the unit over, there's a place for a screwdriver to turn, and this is for front loader versus top loader. Because we have a front load, I'm just going to spin this thing. There we go, that should do it. There's the mounting bracket install. That will allow those teeth to fit up into these little grooves here. Now, the instruction book says that you should turn off the water back here to the cold, and that's what I'm going to do real quick. Okay, got that off. Now, the book says that you should disconnect the hose from the house and use their plastic hose on your metal tap. And I highly recommend you not do that. I recommend that you remove from the washing machine and plug the new hose to the machine and then into the washing machine, because plastic to plastic works a lot better than metal to plastic, because I stripped the other hose and it was not good. Like I said, installation is so much better whenever the plastic hose here goes to the washing machine side, and just use the metal from your house there. Lastly is the power plug here, and it's got a little piece there that will snap into place. So you just come over here and turn that into place. Have the machine hanging up on the wall. I've got the hose down to the washing machine and it's plugged in. Put some detergent in here. I'm gonna go ahead and run a load, so we'll see how this thing works here. There's gonna be a blue light that comes on in here as soon as the water is called for, which I probably should turn that back on. Whoa, 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 got a leak here. Okay, I see what happened. The provided hose is so cheap that it threaded wrong immediately. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase another one of these hoses. The machine works well. This hose has been the main issue, and their customer service tells me that they are upgrading this plastic piece to all stainless steel in the new model. But so if you're going to buy one of these, don't even bother with the hose. I've stripped 2 of them plastic to plastic on the second one, which is really pathetic. I went to the store and purchased an all stainless steel hose here, so it seems to be working well. Let's go ahead and restart the washer here. And now we'll wait for the machine to come on when water is called for. The washer is going now, and the light on the machine is on, so looks like things are working properly. I'll come back here after this load and let you know how it goes. Fancy lights in there. Oh, you can actually see the water going by. In conclusion of my PureWash Pro experience, the first unit was difficult to install because, well, I had a toddler helping, and it's hard to get behind the washer here. The unit, for some reason, had a broken switch for telling it when to pull water, so it was just running all the time. I also stripped the plastic hose, so the first experience was rather poor. It took about a week for customer service to really respond. They immediately shipped a new unit, and when I complained about the hose, they said there's going to be an updated version for the new 2.0. So now that I have the second unit installed, it is working very well. I've washed maybe 10 loads since installing it, and it pulls water, and the unit turns on, and then as soon as the water is not called for anymore, it turns off, just like it's supposed to. I did have to go to the store and buy a stainless steel hose because I stripped the second hose in the new box. So that's definitely an issue. If you're going to buy one of these with the plastic hose, don't even bother, just buy a new hose for that. But hopefully they'll come out with a new version soon and it won't be a problem. As far as the smell and the cleanliness, we're still using detergent just because we don't want to go without detergent. But my work clothes, like this one, and my gym clothes, much improved. I can stand myself at the gym now. So as far as taking out the odor, which I assume is the bacteria, definitely doing its job. And I'm not sure about stains. I've not really tried it with that, but as far as odor, big improvement. So for myself, that right there is well worth it. I'm also noticing a difference in how clean the seal is down here. So the ozone seems to be taking away the bacteria that's growing down there in that seal. So in conclusion, definitely worth buying. It's very expensive, but for me, already worth it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write those in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.